in the register at the electronics department. If we would have went to the actual register, or maybe we could have pulled upon our
I
pocket.
told you. So what did you get?
The TV.
You didn't pull any money?
Oh.
Okay, so we still need to borrow 10 from Eric? Okay.
Me and Eric already talked about that.
What was supposed to happen? See, told you.
I did buy some donuts for the boys in the morning for like $4. 13 donuts.
Okay.
So there is that, but $214 or whatever.
Well, that's not bad. I was thinking 30.
Part of the base.
Need any help with that, or you got it?
I think I got this. I've done this before.
Right, we've done this before.
This ain't my first rodeo.
This ain't my first rodeo. I know how to ride a horse.
But I do need help with the box and
I will
stuff
help you if you need
to
me
pull it out.
I said, oh my God, Les and Eric went and got me a TV for my birthday. Who knew? And I seen a picture. So now I don't need them to help me. Perfect size. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, let me plan because this is what it
Does the
costs.
stand already come with it?
Yeah, I have to put it on.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta put the stand on. Is the stand in the box? Or?
Yeah, it's over there, but I just gotta get it.
Oh, I see it.
And this goes.
Yeah, this
Yep.
goes with the TV.
Yeah. And this will go here.
Alright.
And folks, I think this might be bigger than our TV. Hey, that's good. Our TV's fine.
Just make sure that there's no other pieces in the box.
Right.
Oh, I'm so excited.
There might be some little bolts or nuts
Yeah,
or
that-
something in there.
Exactly.
That's what I mean. That's what I was checking.
Kelvin said, LOL, sweet. When they said, oh my God, Les and Eric went and got me a TV for my birthday. Who knew? See, now Kelvin and Christine don't have to worry about it. If I'd have known you were working, hey, I would have got it right then. But, you know, I can sacrifice 100 on a regular check, but not 200.
Right.
Oh man, this is awesome. No more fighting
Well, we're gonna
over
find out here in a minute.
TVs. No more fighting over TV. Mama can play Monopoly anytime she has time.
Anytime Daddy wanna watch Star
Yeah.
something,
Absolutely. Mama come out here.
ancient alien.
I don't mind doing that if I'm ready for bed. You know, but I'm not ready to go to bed and watch what you're watching, and I
Yeah.
can't have your
Well,
TV
you know, it won't
because you're watching it.
Won't be very long for me.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
I have been just smiling since I knew.
What Eric does.
I gotta get a screwdriver.
That's what Eric does, Mom. Now, of course, you know, when we first walked in, and I went over to the bakery area to buy the donuts, Eric's like, "Where are you going?" I'm like, well, you know,
I didn't really say where. I said, didn't say where you're going. I said, I do a U-turn.
Oh,
So we
that's
could-
what it was. That's what it was.
Because when I was,
You
when I was
made
going
a
around,
U-turn.
around
Right?
That's what it was.
Oh, that is so sweet.
It wasn't nothing on the list. But what was on the list was $100 out of the thingy jiggy, and I only spent 4, so I didn't get the 100.
You don't live.
Eric's still gonna borrow me 10.
Yeah, and Mama's truck has gas in
And
it.
oh, and I still need to go out there and do that.
Yeah, go get your stuff done
Right,
before you
okay.
can't. Supper is ready.
Finish my cigarette.
Yeah.
So they actually screw in and they don't slide in?
Yeah, they actually screw me. There.
So that's probably a good thing. Now, I can sit down. I have been standing up picking for an hour. And a half even. Cause you gotta watch. I think 40 inches is perfect.
I think something like that.
HD. Digital tuner, PC input, HDMI.
3 ports.
Nice.
Your TV has ports on it too.
Nice. Yeah, I was just reading the
Yeah,
box.
I'm just saying I know that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was saying. I know your TV has ports too.
Nice. Oh, I hope these don't take AAA. Oh, and they have it with, and they do
What?
take AAA. But they gave us batteries.
Yeah.
AAA suck.
We have a thing of AAA's.
Now we do, but that's not a battery I normally buy, you know? I always buy AA because that's what we use. But we won't use this TV but just for play games right now, so it should be okay. Oh, this is gonna be so much better. So much better.
I know that it will for you.
Yeah. Well, for everybody, because then I'm not whining and bitching. I need a TV!
Just gotta get the feet going on the right way.
Absolutely.
That's how you look
You're
at the box.
the guy to do it.
Of
That's
course.
what you like to do. And you do a wonderful job.
This the beer can you talking about?
Yeah. There was only one. I don't drink drinking in that truck.
Alright, well, that can's out.
Alright then, and you didn't put any other ones in there, did you?
Why would I put any other ones
Well,
in there?
you always drink and drive, so that's how
No.
that can got in there.
No. That's the whole
Okay.
can, Mom. That
Well,
can's
put the
too small
keys
for
where
that.
keys go. Yeah. Just in case I might need to take the beast somewhere tomorrow, it'd be nice to have the key. Although I do have a spare, but you know.
You do?
Yes. I don't for yours,
Oh, I
but I do for mine. Cause when RJ put the new thing in there, it came with two keys.
Right.
At least I think that it might have been from the old issue.
Yeah, it might be from the old
You
one.
know, one never knows.
Their feet are on.
You and Eric are so awesome. Thank you guys. Best birthday gift other than Monopoly ever. Now we can watch TV out here and not just play Monopoly. Well, we can't watch TV just yet.
Yeah. We don't
Have
have
to get with
a
Comcast.
cast and fix the
Yeah. And we might do that, but
Eight.
just not right now.
yeah, that'd be $80.
Yes. Well, it shouldn't be anything because they come out to fix it and it never was fixed, although I didn't complain about it, so. Whatever.
There you go.
How much was the warranty if you wanted to buy it?
I mean, I don't think he asked. We just bought the TV.
Really? Hey, where's the receipt?
He's got it.
Yeah.
You might want to ask him for it.
Yeah. Daddy, where's the receipt? Yeah, so I can put it away. It's up to
That's what Eric was like. We can't just walk out this motherfucker. We still gotta pay for it. I'm like, I paid for it at the electronic station.